Hello, everyone. This presentation is going to be we're going to be talking about the business culture in Nigeria. We're going to start off with an introduction of the country. First is Nigeria's official name is the Federal Republic of Nigeria. It is located in the West African coast, and the languages used are English, Hausa, Yoruba, Igbo, and 500 more indigenous languages. English is the official language of the country due to their British colonial history, and there are many variations of English used across the state, which means that even if you speak English, that doesn't mean that you'll be able to smoothly communicate with the locals. Nigeria is considered as Africa's most populous country with over 250 ethnic groups, and it is the largest economy in Africa by GDP and also one of the world's largest oil producers. Nigeria's government system is a federal presidential republic. The federal government is divided into three branches: the executive branch, judicial branch, and the legislative branch, divided into the Nigerian Senate and the House of Representatives. Nigeria's government system is highly centralized. It uses a mixed legal system of English common law, traditional law, and Islamic law in the 12 northern states. Nigeria has a huge corruption problem, which is predicted to cost Nigeria about 37% of its GDP in the future. Dash is a common informal transaction in Nigeria, an old practice, an old tradition still practiced today, which refers to both a gift or a bribe. So if you're conducting business in Nigeria, you have to be cautious in case of any legal complications that can come with practicing Dash. Next, we're going to be talking about Nigeria's gender expectations. Nigeria is a patriarchal society. Men are expected to fight in times of conflict, and they're expected to work to provide for their families. Women, on the other hand, traditionally were important in the trade industries, especially South Nigerian women. After their colonial times, women's gender roles changed and women were more expected to take care of the household, and agricultural labor was expected to be done by women as well. Due to Western influences, there is a bias against women getting formal education. Men are more preferred to get formal education in Nigerian families. Next, we're going to be talking about Nigeria's general etiquette. In Nigeria, other than being a patriarchal society, it has a hierarchy by age. So older Nigerians are greeted and served first. So you have to greet Nigerians in order of seniority and bow and lower your gaze when greeting an older person to show respect. When greeting Nigerians, handshake with a smile is the most common greeting. Do not use your left hand because it is a taboo. So make sure to use only your right hand when handshaking with others. Men wait for women to extend their hand first, and Muslim and a few Nigerian tribes avoid shaking hands with the opposite gender as part of their culture. Do not rush greetings in Nigeria, as it is considered rude to do so. When dining with Nigerians, do not start eating until the eldest male has been served and has started eating. Always eat and pass bowls with the right hand. As I have previously mentioned, the left hand is a taboo. It is considered dirty, so do not use your left hand when eating. If you are done eating, you have to leave a little piece of food to indicate that you are done. An empty plate in Nigeria means that you want to eat more. When it comes to gifts, you have to bring gifts for the host if you are invited to a dinner in their house. Avoid giving alcohol as a gift, as a fair amount of Nigerians are Muslims and alcohol is banned for Muslims. Give gifts with the right hand or both hands. As I have previously mentioned, the left hand is a taboo, so do not give anything with the left hand. And gifts are not always opened right after it is received. Next, we're going to talk about the business norms in Nigeria. Formal business suits are worn during management meetings or meeting a superior. You address people initially by their titles and their last name. You have to be always polite and start greetings by asking about Nigerians' well-being. You have to be talking to them about their health or their family. Any of that works. Women, as I have previously mentioned, when in the general etiquette of Nigeria, women are extend their hand first for handshakes. Their Muslim counterparts avoid handshakes with the opposite gender, as I have previously mentioned, because of their culture. And business cards are exchanged without formal rituals. You have to make a point of studying the business card before you put it into your card holder as a sign of respect and interest to the other party. Thank you.